I'm back after a long time, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do this horizontal angle calculation through this through this Geomax Total Station. So basically we need to understand first is that we are in this instrument station 1. This is 1, and the reflector that you can see there, that one is station 6, and then we have another station, and that is these two stations. We are going to calculate the horizontal angle. So it's like, it's like something like this. So we are in station 2, sorry, we are in station 1, and we are going to calculate the angle between 6 and this 2. So this is the angle that we need to calculate. Since our traverse is in anti-clockwise direction, so our angle will be included angle with the interior, so we are going to calculate this interior angle. So you can see here in this total station, so basically when you open this menu, so this kind of screen we are going to see. So first what you need to do is that you need to go in this Q survey. You can go here, and there comes a lot of options. Here you can see this PT, this is point number. You can enter anything like 1, or it's in character, so I want to keep it in digits, so let me keep this 1. So basically what you need to do is you also need to set the instrument height here. So instrument height we can set in a way that, but for this case let me assume this. Basically you need to measure this one with this tape. Basically from this tape, from this point, from here is the marking, from this point to our another here. So basically I'm not going to do this one because I have to finish this fast. So basically I'm just going to assume it, and I'm going to keep it like 1.2, let's say 1.2 meter. Okay, and then basically what I'm going to do is now it's asking for me for code. I also don't need to do anything this kind of thing. So basically I'm just going to go downwards, and since I need to calculate the angle and distance, so I need to calculate this code. It's in pause. Go to the, you can see here some figures here. What we need to do is that since we have given this height of instrument, I have assumed, and you can keep this code as it is. We don't care about anything with that. We are directly going to press this button, and again we will press this button, and we can see here one option. This is set. Yes, it means we need to set the horizontal angle. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to press this F3, and we will be keeping this 0. So for this we'll be pressing F1. So now its angle has become 0, and we'll be pressing OK. So now we can see this. We have we have sighted the station 6, and since this is face left, as you can see that if I will be rotating this, now it will be changed. Now it has not changed here. So what I will do is I will keep this clamp tight. I'll clip this clamp tight from both the ends, and now you can see that there is 0 0. So basically this is 0, and if it does not change in that way, you can again set it 0, and you can press it here OK. And now if it's down, then you will see here 0. So basically it's a kind of 0 second, and if it has not changed, what you can do is that basically you can again set this 0 and just press it OK. And now if it's done in this way, now what we need to do is we need to calculate the angle between this station 6, that one is 6, and that one is 2, and we'll be calculating the angle between these two distances. So basically that you can see here, and since we have kept this in face left, you can see here, since this is the battery side as well, when you rotate this into this horizontal angle, it will increase. So basically this is the face left. So here we have the reading. So basically we have kept that, we have sighted this already. So basically, and we have sighted this in 0 0. So basically in this is station 6, and we are going to keep this in face left, and it should be 0 0 0. So basically, and now we need to calculate the distance between this station, and this station. So basically I'll be also calculating the distance. So what I'm going to do here is, now you can see here, this is the back option. Just press it, and you can see this distance, this option. So just press it, and now it will give me the distance. So basically the distance is you can see here, it's 66.961 meters. So distance has been done. Now what we'll do is that we are going to rotate this. We will be rotating this, and we will be sighting that station. We'll be sighting that another station, and that station is our station 2, and that angle will be recorded here. So let me sight this first. So basically I have sighted that one, and this is again in phase left. So I have tightened my clamp. You need to tighten this all clamp, this one horizontal and vertical as well. So and now I can see that it is the prism is in the cross here. So basically I'm going to record that angle. So since I have sighted this total station to station 2, so basically, and this is in face left, so I have sighted this in 2 and this is in face left, so I'll be giving it the horizontal angle. Now you can see the horizontal angle here. It's basically 77 degree and 58 minute 35 second. So this one is the horizontal angle, and now I also need to calculate its respective distance here. So for distance, what I'll be pressing here is, you can see this dist option, just press F2, and now you can calculate the distance from here as well, and this is basically 77.0919. So basically we have calculated this one. So you can see here we have this one angle, but this is through the face left. Now we also need to calculate the angle through the face right. So basically, through calculating the angle through face right, what you need to do is you just need to transit it and swing. So basically what you do is that you just loosen your clamp, just rotate it through 180 degree. You know, this is the face left and we need the face right here, so we need to rotate it here through 180 degrees. So basically rotate it here. So this is called the transit, and you need to also do this one, and this is called the swing. And you need to notice one thing, that you are looking at the station 2. So basically sight that station and just tight everything. So I have tightened it, I have sighted it. So now what I need to do is I need to record this horizontal reading of face right. So since this is the station 2, this is the station 2, and this is the face right, so I'll be just recording that angle. And that angle you can see here, it's horizontal angle. It's basically 257 degree 59 minute and 11 second. So now again I need to calculate the distance between this station 1 and 2 through this face right. So for that option I'll be just pressing this F2 button. You can see dist option, so just press F2, and now I have got my reading as well, and that is 77.099. I have recorded this, and it's almost same with the previous one. It's the same with the previous one, so that means there is no any kind of error in the distance. Now I will be citing this, since you can see that I have cited this in station 2, and now I need the angle between station 2 and station 6. So I will be just rotating this one. I will just loosen my clamp, I will just rotate this one, and I will just cite that one. So now I have tightened my clamp, and the angle between them, that will be it's in face right, and I have sighted to station 2, sorry, in the station 6. So I'll be writing here in this 6 one part, and the angle is, you can see, just see this horizontal angle here, see, and it's 90 degree and 33 minute and 22 second. Now we have this one, and we also need the distance between this station 1 and station 6. So I just need the distance, and for that you can press this dist option, and just basically I have got my distance, and this is 66.969. So this basically there is a kind of some difference. You can do it again, or just keep the mean distance between them two, and here also you can just keep this 77.099. And now we need this horizontal angle. So basically what you need to do is, for calculating this horizontal angle, you need to subtract from left to left. That means this minus this, so that's basically 77 degree 58 minute and 35 second. And basically you need to subtract this with this one, that you can do, and just keep it here. It should be like 77 degree and something like 58 minute, and there will be some kind of minor error in second. And if there is much difference, you need to do the reading again. But if the difference in this second is quite near or closer, you can take the mean between them, and you can fill it here. So this is the main basic concept, how you calculate the horizontal angle in traversing, particularly for close traverse, and if your traverse is in anti-clockwise direction. So that's for today, and in upcoming tutorial I'll be putting more videos on this traversing and horizontal control traverse. So thanks for today.